like what you see, well, come on over.
Just you and me.
I'm back and I still have my glasses on. Girl, between these glasses and this hair, the lashes are so long I can't even blink because it keep catching on the glasses, girl, like some windshield wiper. So we just gonna let God and the universe lead us. I will be trusting, leaning, and depending on the Lord when I take these glasses off, and hopefully y'all will see this video and be like, okay, she cute. She can't see, but she cute. This is tropical juice, 100% orange juice and all this kind of other stuff. Y'all know that I don't drink. I've been sober for almost 2 years now. Give it up for your girl. So today's wig is coming from Pearl Tresses. I did a previous review on them before. This is their card. And here is the packaging, Pearl Tresses. What they sent was a wig cap. They sent this really cute headband, y'all. Look at it. Look at the detailing on it. It is cute. Little denim headband with gold detailing on it. It's like a chain. It's really, really cute. And here is the wig. So she's ombre. She's maybe like a 1 or 1B at the root of the hair. Then she goes down into like an auburn, and she is long. Like she's beyond, like she gotta be like maybe 26 inches or something like that. So just to get into the construction of the cap, of course it comes with lace. It is from ear to ear. There is 2 combs in the front. There is 1 comb in the back. There is adjustable straps. So I'm just gonna cut the tag off. Also, this is in the style RMRR. That's what's on the tag of the hair. So RMRR. All right, so this is how she is putting the wig on. And I like her already. Like, she's a pretty girl to me. Now, some snatching my little sides off. So let me get that together. Oh yeah, I didn't put my wig band on, but I don't really think I need it for this one because it fits pretty well. I don't feel like it's like sliding back or anything, and I don't even have the combs in my head. It doesn't feel heavy or anything of that sort. The lace doesn't feel like itchy or anything. It's a good amount of lace. As you can see, it's from here to here. Let's look at the parting space and see what we got. Oh, y'all, look at what we working with. Like, she back there. Look. Can y'all see it? Let me see if I can get a part going for y'all or something. I look like I'm your private dancer, dancing for money. Do what you want me to do. Ooh, Lord, honey, y'all know it is also a little bit stringy. So if you got lip gloss and stuff, honey, child, be prepared, be aware. So if I take my huge comb and part down the side, can y'all see the part now? Can you see it? So yeah, it's about 6 inches of parting space or something like that. So she definitely is versatile. So she could definitely be rocked as a middle part. She could be rocked as a side part for you guys who love the side parts. For you guys who don't like any part at all, you may be able to do like the flip over method like that. I don't want to do that because she gonna stick to me, girl. She gonna stick to my lip gloss and everything. So we gonna make her a middle part, because usually like my straight wigs, I'm okay with it being a middle part. Or if it's like this, then I'm okay, like it looks a little natural. I like the way that it's just kind of flowing, you know, make me feel like this is my hair. Now let's look at the hairline. I can work with it, but you may want to pluck it just a little bit more for those who are very anal about a realistic type of hairline. Me, depending on how I'm styling it, most likely I'm only going to worry about the parting space of the, you know, whatever part that I create in the hair. I'm going to make sure that that is blendable. It is full as well. Now at the top, it doesn't feel like it's full, but at the bottom, it's a lot of hair. I'm just going to comb it out to see how easily it's combing. It feels really good though, like the ends of the hair feels really good. I do see that it may bush up a little bit, like if the more that you put your hands in it and the more that you comb it, but that's just on like the ends. So I am getting a few snags on the ends. If you can see how thick the ends are, I am getting a little bit of shedding. I don't know if you can see. It's about that much. You probably can't even see it, child. She's really a pretty color though. Perfect for the fall time, which of course, if y'all don't know, I live in Houston, Texas, so ain't no fall time here, sis. I'm going to go ahead and get my scissors and I'm going to just cut up the middle. I don't really care about leaving lace on. I'm going to do this side right here. Let's move that baby hair out the way because I might need it, girl. Just cut this side up here. I got 3 parts, let's cut. Of course, this is coming out just because I just cut my lace to fit my head. Lace was easy to cut off. We're going to get my Got to Be Good spray. This is not everyday hair. This is definitely not everyday hair. Y'all look at my little poster board back here. Still ain't got no poster back there. Y'all want to send me a poster? Send me a poster. All right, let's go.
Can I do when a million things are?
So the lace was very easy to lay down and it didn't take long to stick to my head nor blend to my head. Again, I think I'm just gonna make this a middle part. If y'all not used to dealing with long, like a lot of hair, I don't know what y'all gonna do about this, child. Y'all know if a wig hasn't been parted, the hair is gonna fly any and everywhere. We're gonna put a little bit of my wax stick on here and we're gonna put a little bit of heat. Just a little bit of heat, okay? Y'all know these synthetic wigs will burn up, so I don't think you should go over maybe like 350, 375 just to put a little heat at the top. You run the risk of burning it up, sis. We don't want that. That is my wax that I use. It's the 24-hour EBIN Sleek Extreme Firm Hold Hair Wax Stick in Coconut. So I'm gonna use this really quick just to get it in order, like lay down somewhere. Now the wax stick is keeping it from getting all in my mouth, so it is taming it. Y'all, let me tell y'all something about this right here. This is like a super old school heating hot comb, like the ones that you got to put on the stove, honey, and hurry up and take off before your hair burn up. This is like that, and I don't know what made me get this one instead of getting the black one that everybody be using, honey, that, you know, don't really look like it's really doing too much or get too hot. But this right here, if you leave this on for 2 minutes, you can just say goodbye to your wig, because I done burnt a couple of them.
Wake up.
I don't know, y'all. We might have to, y'all might want to cut it a little bit shorter because like these kinks at the bottom are annoying. I love the length actually as well. It's just while you're manipulating it to get it in the style that you want to get it in, you're probably gonna be feeling like you fighting with the tumbleweeds, but you want to be cute or what? Oh, look how pretty it is. Even from the side, it's so pretty. It does have a little bit of shine to it, if you can see. But I think that if you put some dry shampoo on it or some baby powder or something, that it will take the shine off because it's not really that bad. But this color, y'all, she's a pretty girl. She is a pretty girl, honey. She like, you know, me. She's a pretty girl, but she's unruly. Like, you can't tell me what to do. I got it to lay down as flat as possible, if you can see. Now I'm just gonna put some concealer in the middle. All right, y'all, we got us a part. Can y'all see? We got us a part, girl. I'm gonna take my, girl, are you recording? Yes, you are recording. So I'm gonna take my EBIN. You see it, $2.99, sis. And I am just going to lay me some baby hairs. Y'all know I ain't really good with baby hair. I just kind of do my thing. I just put whatever.
Things are running through.
Also, I just want to let you guys know that I have not forgotten about you guys who are waiting for me to do the last 2 love languages. I'm still gonna do it because I got plenty of reviews to do, but you know, we gonna make that intimate. You know, we're not gonna do that on a sponsor post. By the way, yeah, this is sponsored, but y'all know I'm gonna tell the truth, right? Tell the truth and shame the devil. Ain't that what they say?
I don't know what to do.
So I'ma only just keep it like this. I could put a little eddy up there because y'all know I be liking my eddies. Let me go ahead and do it.
Notice.
Because I like for the baby hairs to be soft and minimal. Soft and minimal.
It's on you.
So what am I looking like? Because I ain't got my glasses on. I'm doing this, what? By faith. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more concealer. And this is just a little concealer that I got from the not the Dollar Tree, girl. Honey, it should have been from the Dollar Tree. But the hair supply store, y'all know. If you know, then you know. So I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on my brush. And I am going to just whoop, 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 to make it look like that I have plucked it some more. It's the illusion for me, sis. So it looks a little bit more believable. It looks like I done plucked it some.
Waiting all this time on you. Wait.
And then if you have any harsh lines or anything left in it, then sis, just go back and scrub the ground. Scrub the ground. But again, if you want to pluck it, then go ahead and pluck it, sis. So yeah, y'all, this is kind of like how I would style and wear this hair. I would keep it simple, do a little baby hair, and call it a day. Let's try with the headband. Y'all see how it looks without the headband? I think this headband is so stinking cute. I just don't know how to wear this thing. Do you wear it like this? Oh, baby. Oh, baby, no. It's just my baby dog. How do you wear this headband, y'all? You just put it in like this, and then you just roll it back, I guess. She's pretty. Now, I will say, if you're gonna rock this headband, you definitely will need to put the combs in. Yeah, you definitely need to put the combs in. Look like a princess. This is cute. I like the headband though. Most likely I would wear it with both. Girl, you got to stay up here if you want to be the queen. Like I said, the pros on this, the hair is very, very pretty. The color is very pretty. The ombre is perfect. The color is perfect for fall. The length is you know, it's some Baddie hair, but at the same time, that is something I can see being a problem as well, because it continues to tangle on me just at the ends. So if you don't really need a lot of the length, you can cut it off, no problem. It was easy to blend. It was easy to lay down. I love the parting space on it. The construction of the cap is pretty good and pretty secure. As you can see, I have worn this without my head grip. I don't feel like it's about to slide off my head or anything. So it is pretty much big head friendly. It's just long as hell, y'all. It's long as hell. Y'all see the fronts. And then here is the side. Let me show y'all how long this is on me. It's my butt. And it's touching. Yeah. That is pretty much it for this wig review. This hair was sent to me by Pearl Tress, as stated before. I do thank you, Pearl Tress. I've worked with them before. They've been very pleasant to work with. So I definitely appreciate collabing with them again. Looking forward to collabing with them in the future, because they be having some good wigs, y'all. So check it out. The link will be down below. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Would I recommend it? If you're okay with the length, if you are okay with a little bit of tangling, I would definitely say get it, because everything else is a plus for me. I would definitely wear this out on a date night, to hookah with the girls, maybe even on vacation. But honey, do not sleep in this wig. Do not wear this wig consistently, because it's gonna be a tangle mess. But yeah, she's a pretty girl. I like her. So she passes for me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, talk to me. Let's have a conversation about this unit. This is one of the good old signature fall colors. So comment down below. Subscribe to my channel. turn on the notification bell because I have some awesome things. Like, y'all, I'm so excited about this next venture. I have to tell y'all, but I'm gonna do it on another video. But make sure y'all turn on the notification button because I have so much stuff in store for you, and I want to make sure that you are here to come back and see me when I'm here to see you. Okay, in the meantime, in between time, take care of yourself, because if you don't take care of yourself, you can't come back and see me. Pinky promise I will do the same, guys. Let me make sure that you, honey, you still on there? You still on there? Yeah, you still on there. Pinky promise I will do the same, guys. Until the next video, I love you. I love you. I love you. Peace.